So in this video, we'll talk about the differentiating method in finding the gradient of the curve. So a good example is saying, find the derivative of the following function and hence find the gradient of their curve at a given point. So the first question, or question 1, y equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 at what point? Point where x is equal to -1. Now, what are we finding? We're finding the gradient. Now, in calculus, the way we do it, the first thing is you differentiate the given equation. What's the given equation? The given equation is this, which is here. Now, let's differentiate this one by using dy over dx. What are we differentiating? Differentiating x. So what you do is say 2 times 2. 2, which is the power, times what? 2. The answer is 4. Then x, then 2 minus 1, then minus 3. Then 1 minus 3, that's a 3, then 1 minus 1. When it's a constant in differentiating, the answer of the time becomes what? 0, like that. Such that this equation, or the derivative, the one that we found, it is the gradient function. So in this situation, this derivative which we have found, it is the what? The gradient function. So this is what we call the gradient. But we haven't found the what? The gradient. So how do we find the gradient? At what point exactly? They've specified, they've said that at the point where x is equal to -1. Now from there you say m equal to 4x minus 3. Then you say m equal to 4 there, then 1, 3. Then you say m equal to 4 minus 3, such that your answer is 1. So that is your gradient function, or that is your gradient. So the one that we found here, your gradient. But this one, this side, is the gradient function, or the derivative. So that's how you find this question. Then let's go to question 2. Let's go to question 2. And what question 2 is saying is, what does it say? It's saying that y equal to 5x over 2x squared plus 4. At what point exactly? At x equal to root over 3, like this. Now, we have x equal to root of 3. In this situation, what do we do? When you're differentiating the fraction, we use what we call quotient what? Rule. So the question is, how is the quotient rule? Goes f of prime equal to bu prime minus uv prime over b squared. So this is the formula that we use in what we call the what? The quotient rule, right? This is the formula that we use in quotient rule. Now, here, on the given equation, the top part, it is u all the time. So meaning the top part, that is 5x, that's u. Then the down part all the time, it's v. So it is 2x squared plus 4. Such that your u prime here is 5. Then your v prime in this situation is what? 4x. Just like that, right? Then now let's substitute in the given equation. We differentiate. Remember that f of x prime equal to bu prime minus uv prime over v squared. Then in that situation, what is your v? Your v, it is 2x squared plus 4. Then what's your u prime? U prime is 5 minus, what is your u? It's 5x. Then what's your v prime? What? 4x over what? Over v squared, which is 2x squared plus 4 then squared. Then you say 5 times 2x squared plus 10x squared plus 20 minus 5x times 4x. What's the answer? The answer is 20x squared over. The down part, you don't do anything, just leave it like that. Then 10x squared minus 20x squared, which is what? 10x squared plus 20 over 2x squared plus 4 squared. So this is what we call f of x prime, like that. Then from there, after you have found your f of x prime, or the derivative of that equation, which is 10x squared plus 20 over 2x squared plus 4 squared, like that. After doing that, we substitute now, right? So that we can find the what? The gradient. This one, this side, it is what we call the what? The gradient function. Now let's find the gradient. Let's substitute wherever there's x with it, root of 3. So that is negative 10 there, then you substitute there, which is 3 squared plus 20 over, then 2 root of 3 is square it plus 4, then you square it. Then what will happen will be negative 10 there, right? There it will be 3 plus what? 20 over, down there it is 2, then 3 plus 4, then that. Then you have negative 10 times 3, it becomes what? Negative 30 plus 20 over 6 plus 4, then you square it. Then your answer in this situation will be negative 10 over 10 squared, such that you have negative 10 there over 100. Then this and this will go. So 1 will also be negative 1 over 10. That is your gradient. So this is how we find question 4a. Now let's go to question 4b. So on B it says find the points at which the gradient of the curve, which is that function, is equal to what? To the points, right? So in that situation, how do we do it? We have y equal to 5x squared minus 3x plus 1. They're saying is equal to what? Is equal to 2. So find the points at which the gradient is equal to what? 2. First thing that you do is to differentiate the given equation. So in that situation, we have what? That equation. So let's differentiate it. Dy dx equal to 10x minus 3. So this is the gradient function. After finding the gradient function, we equate it to that, to 2. So to be 10x minus 3 equal to 2. Then 10x equal to 2 plus 3. This 3 will go the other side. So it will be 10x equal to 5. Then there, which is that x is equal to what? X is equal to 1 over 2. So at the point where 1 is equal to what? 2. That's where the gradient is equal to what? To 2. Then you also do the same thing to question 2, which is y equal to x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x, right? Now here they've said is equal to what? Equal to 15, right? In this situation, let's differentiate that. Dy dx equal to 3x squared plus 6x minus what? 9. So this differentiative, we get it, we equate it to 15. So it will be 3x squared plus 6x minus 9 equal to 15. Now the good part is that we can reduce these numbers by 3, all of them together, which is here to what? You just divide that by 3, which is that, which is 2x minus 3 equal to 5, such that your answer is 2x plus 2x, then 3 minus 5 equal to 0. Then the function will be 2x minus 8 equal to 0. That. So that is what? The function, right? Then from there now, what you do next is you have to find the points now, right? Let's find the points. This is x squared plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0, right? Product, sum, factor. What's a product? It's negative 8. Sum is what? 2. Then the factors are 4 and negative 2. Such that your answer is x minus 2x plus 4x minus 8 equal to 0. This part. Then x here, x minus 2 plus 4, then x minus 2 equal to 0. Such that x plus 4, x minus 2 equal to 0. Then x plus 4 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to negative 4. X is equal to 2. So these are the points that I'm talking about. That's all. That's how you answer questions. These questions are very simple and straightforward. Make sure you follow, like, share, subscribe.